Hey everybody, it's Danny here on Danny Reviews, and check out this large shoe rack. This thing here is massive. If you own a lot of shoes, and I'm talking this thing can hold up to 64 pairs of shoes. This is an 8-tier rack, and you can kind of customize this to how you like. Right now I do have 4 across and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 high. You could take one side off and go 3 wide and then go 2 more levels up. So you can make this however you want to fit your space. This thing's going to hold a lot of shoes. You can see here I wear a size 11 and 2 pair of shoes can fit in each slot. These are all the shoes I own, so I could purchase a lot more shoes to fill this thing up. So if you're looking for very sturdy, easy to build too, so there's no screws, there's no screwdrivers, everything is just, you just pop it in. They have great instructions. This is metal. The pieces in the middle that connect everything are plastic. Everything is really durable and good quality. And you can see here for this size, how sturdy it is. So if you're looking for very sturdy, heavy duty, put it in the garage, put it in your closet, put it in a hallway. You have a lot of shoes, or maybe you share a space with someone and half will be theirs, half will be yours. Definitely check out this. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review. But this thing here is a very large shoe rack that holds up to 64 pairs, and I highly recommend this.